Oh, he's going to put on his guitar. Okay. He's got almost all the shit in the cart, which he started packing it up really quickly because I turned my phone up really loud when I called the police department so he'd hear it. There he goes. He's going to push the cart now. He's probably going to push it over somewhere where he's got his car parked. And put the shit in there. I don't think we can get him on here at all. But he's going away. He's in Ann Morrison now. Oh, I remember this guy. He came once before and set all this crap up at the entrance to Ann Morrison Park right after I parked and started playing his bongos and shit, which I just put in earplugs and did not hear any of it. That's that guy. Okay, I remember now. Yes, I remember. Yeah, crazy motherfuckers of Boise.